Sobrang sorry pero kasi hindi kami nakapag-avail ng schedule dun sa bet naming branch ng McDo or Jollibee para sa ating pa Thanksgiving birthday party. But, yeah. Ayun, abangan nyo, sinaschedule namin siya for November 9. November na ang latest schedule. Matutuloy na yan. Promise, swear to God. Basta, ayun. Hindi pa Tagig yung last time. Yes, ayun. Loft sa Tagig. Sa BGC. Hello po sa mga bagong pasok. Kamusta po kayo? How's your day? Ano ba? Dami kong na-miss na. Sorry, daldal ako ng daldal sa unboxing. Ngayon pala ako nakakapagbasa ng comments. Wait lalong hindi na po pwede. Gagawa na nga kasi forms. Wait lang please. Oh wow, AC, kasalanan mo to lahat. Charis. Mix, are you gonna do a show here in Laguna in the future? Sa mga nasa probinsya that are asking me to come to their province, if meron kayong kakilalang bar owner or show producer there in your area, tell them na mag-reach out sa DMs. I would love to go to anywhere that would have me. Pero yun nga lang, it has to be, kailangan na dyan-based yung producer. Kasi I cannot, mahirap mag-produce ng show sa lugar na hindi mo alam. So it's always good to like, basta, yon. Like if any producers or any bar owners, establishment owners would have me sa mga probinsya, I would love to go to anywhere, avail all. Sa November 9 ka nabibigay yung keychains and phone charms na gawa ko. Oh my God! Okay, yay! I'm excited. Thank you so much, Reza. Mother Mix, any tips sa mga tao magsa-start ang drag journey nila? Wag na be. Wag na be. Charis! Just do it. Honestly, parang if nasa puso mo siya, gawin mo na lang. Drag is a skill that, drag is something na natutunan mo by experience. So the more that you do it, the better you get at it. Kamusta life man now that DRPH Season 3 is officially finished? Happy. I'm very blessed. I've done a lot of shows in the past few months. I'm currently on break now. Para man makapagpahinga ng onte, makapag-detox after the busyness of the season. I'm kind of just like, you know, thinking of what's next. Parang trying to plan what's next. Trying to just make the most out of the platform that I was given through Drag Race. Paano po makakapag-send ng gift? DM nyo lang ako. I don't always, words, formulate. Hindi ko nababasa lahat ng message and message request, but DM nyo lang ako, I will try to get to you. Or dun sa GC, if nasa GC kayo, go. Tag nyo lang ako dun. Pwede ba ulitin sa ibang show yung second set ng Love na iyak so di na vid part 2 the remix? Wow! AC, isang beses ka lang pumunta. Sa tingin mo may karapatan ka namang utos. Wow. Charis. We'll see. Kasi as much as I love doing ballads, I am a ballad girl. I love doing ballads, especially ballads from musicals. But I also want to like honor my emotions, honor my feelings. So I tend to do ballads when my current like page in life, when my current emotions match the song that I want to do. So ayun, parang we'll see if amatan ko uli yung She Used to Be Mine soon. Bunot na naman si AC, always. What Pop Mart is your favorite? Molly! I love Molly. Sabi ni Maxi, ang effortless daw sa'yo mag-English para kang yung classmate na laging kasama sa field trip at complete ang gamit. Kasi naman, during the show, avail all sila sa mga gamit ko. Parang, Mix, may ganito ka bang kwintas? Mix, may ganito ka bang... Kami ni Versex yung talagang hinihira mo ng mga bakla na accessories, ng gloves, minsan ng shoes, ganyan. Isang Yahoo! Yahoo! Hindi ko napigilan sarili ko habang nanonood ako ng Six na musical. Nakakahiya. Your voice is so ear-friendly. Like, very something na hindi nakakasawa pakinggan. True ba? Agree ka ba? Agree ka ba? Ha? Ay, naman. Ay, naman. Talaga ba? I used to be so insecure about my voice. Especially nung time na I was doing musical theater in college. Sobrang insecure ako kasi I know I'm not a good singer. I know I'm not like a singer. Natuto lang ako para how to sing in tune, on key, sometimes because of the musical theater training. But I used to be so insecure about my voice. And then parang eventually, because of doing the podcast, and kasi I also listen to the podcast myself, especially when we have guests, kasi minsan parang in the moment hindi ko na-absorb lahat ng chika, so I also like listening to the podcast. Nasanay na lang ako sa sound ng sarili kong boses, but I used to really think my voice was annoying. I used to not really like the sound of my own voice. Yung Yahoo mo, pwede ka na ipalit sila Mario and Luigi ma. Yahoo! Teka nga, gagawan na ng Google Forms pati venue mixologist. Grabe kayo. Ayan, utusan nyo si AC. Tama yan. Pasample nga. Ayoko, me. I don't like singing, honestly. I don't know, I'm very insecure with my singing. Sa totoong buhay lang. So, I don't... Pag narinig niyo ako kumakanta ng trip ko lang go, pero once you tell me to sing, medyo parang cringe. I cannot. Mood. If I were a cat, this would be me. Ala, nanginginig na yung kamay ni bakla dahil sa kape. Wow. Nakuha ni Kiana kay Deja yung Yahoo, tapos nakuha ni Deja kay Odasha. Go Yahoo! Mas gusto ko yung may garal-gal ng side. Yahoo! Kung ako si Itay, magtatampo ako kasi bebe time tapos nag-live ka. Sagana na yan sa bebe time kagabi pa. Huwag siya umarte. Arte ka. Gareklamo ka. Ikaw dito. Hug mo nga ako. Hug mo kadali. Di ba kailangan pakita hug mo lang ako? Takot na takot magpakita. Wow. Hug mo. Dali. Hug. Ay! No. Mukhang mama's boy. Mama's boy na ako now because I only have my mama. Pero nung bata ako, when my dad was still alive, sobrang daddy's boy ako. As in, like, daddy's girl? Basta yun. Lord, nakakainis. Lord, grabe ka na. Tangina, sarap ng baby naman yan. Wow. Kilala ka na po namin ni Tay. Nanlalamang, wow. Sorry na lang. I think yun yata yung karma pag napuksa sa Drag Race eh. Kasi balita ko, ate ko J Queen, ano na rin eh, bebe time na rin ngayon eh. Pag napupuksa talaga sa Drag Race, avail jowa. Charis. Walang ganap today. No, wala po tayong ganap today because it is my break. I'm on drag break currently. Wala akong gig until Saturday. So, 1 week off from drag is like the longest I've had since probably May. Kasi noong July, may mga weeks, may mga like, medyo matagal akong in between shows. Pero in between shows, I would have shoots naman for the contents ng season. So, ayun. How about Ver? May corona na si Ver. Carry niya na yun. Congeniality na siya, carry na yan siya. Tsaka ano na siya, I think Versex is currently in Bangkok. Nagbabakasyon muna ang ate ko before siya bumalik na New York. What's your ganap for Halloween? I think I might be going to the Opulence Ball or the Tim Yap Ball for Halloween. Abangan. But yeah, I'm also going to Halloween parties with my friends. Ano naman, time for my friends kasi medyo ang dami ng mga kaibigan ko nagtatampo dahil wala ako masyadong time ng season daw. Wow. Mix, when are you gonna start vlogging? Pag sinipag ako. Charis. I wanna do, meron akong like collaborations in the works. Mga pencil, mga drawing, ganyan. Me and Judy wanna do a drag swap. Me and Miss Jade want to do a drag swap. So, yung mga ganong content, we might do soon. AC, isang beses ka palang pumunta na show ko, hindi para utusan mo ako kung saan ako pupunta. Charis. Una kita nakita nung pop-off ate sa QC, pero hindi na kita nabutan mag-perform. Which one to? This year, last year? Mang bango mo tingnan. Mabango talaga ako, B. Amoy vanilla. Char. Drag swap with UD Yes. Oo, gusto namin gawin ni UD yan. Kasi gusto i-avail ni UD yung fractals look ko. Hey Mix, how many wigs do you have? Too many to mention. Hindi ko na binibilang, B. Totoong buhay lang. And I have a few things from Drag Race that I want to sell. Soon. Pag sinipag ako, soon. Perfume reco, honestly, you can't go wrong with Zara. Zara perfumes are a little on the cheaper side, pero mahaba na yung longevity niya. As in like, matagal nagsistick yung amoy ng Zara perfumes. Para nasa 1,000 something yung mga Zara perfumes. And it's not the cheapest perfume, pero I find kasi yung mga talagang nasa affordable end, usually mabilis mawala yung amoy. Zara yung parang matagal na siya, that's on a cheaper, more affordable side siguro. Pakita mo perfume muna. Natamad ako. Sige na nga. Ano ba mga avail natin dito today? Meron tayong Mugler, Angel Nova. Actually, karamihan ng perfume ko, puro gifts. So, thank you so much. Galing po sa tatay ko, si El Carlito, Angel Nova from Mugler. Tapos, meron tayong Camera Latafa. This is like a South Asian perfume. Vanilla. As in, favorite scent ko is always vanilla. And then, we also have, syempre, as an Ariana Grande stan, we have the Mod Vanilla. The Mod Vanilla from Ariana Grande's perfume line. And then I also have, oh my god, this perfume. Ano to? Ang perfume na to amoy trauma. Charis. This is Perfect by Marc Jacobs. This is the perfume that I was using for the entirety of Drag Race. As in, pag naamoy ko siya, naalala ko yung hotel room ko sa Drag Race. Oh. This was gifted to me by Eva. Ito yung gift sa akin ni Eva na perfume for Drag Race. So, it carries a lot of memories from Drag Race for me. So, minsan ko lang siya ilabas pag gusto kong matrauma. Charis. Ayun, and then I have a few more na like from Jo Malone kasi nagpapadala si Jo Malone sa akin ng PR packages ng perfumes minsan. But yeah, yung Zara perfume ko is nasa taas, nasa drag room ko kasi that's the one that I keep in my drag touch-up bag. Para asin yun yung amoy ko pag meet and greets. Blush reco, get ready with me. Honestly, for powder contour and powder blush and powder highlighter, you cannot go wrong with yung products ng Get Ready With Me. Katabi reveal, hinahanap ka ni Bestie. Si Bestie. Si Bestie mo. Hinahanap ka ni Bestie mo. Hindi ka nakita, isa pa. Say hi.
Hello.
OMG, I love Joe Malone din kaso wala masyadong longevity. Yung mga perfumes naman from Joe Malone na na-try ko, matagal-tagal naman siya. Also, ano mo yan? Shout out ulit. May nagbigay sa akin itong yung anik-anik. This was from a few weeks ago. So it's a cinnamon roll bag tag keychain thing. Pero ang maganda dyan, alam niyo yung inhaler na from Thailand, yung herbal. Pastabog. Boses pa lang ng bebe mo ang pogi na. Malamang. Babe, jojowain ko ba kung hindi pogi? Kiss mo, kiss. Dito, dali. Hindi mo nakikita, dali. Kiss mo ko, dali. Ah! Mix, I have a job interview on Monday. Please wish me luck. Good luck, best of luck, and may whatever needs to happen for you. If hindi ka matanggap dyan, always think of it not as a rejection but a redirection, sabi nga ni Tita Baby. Sometimes things don't work out because they're not meant to work out because they're not the best for you. Basta ganun. Yahoo! Ayaw ni Mix ng labubu. Bet ko, pero kasi hold the phone. May meron akong certain thing about parang when something is mainstream or when something is like super overrated. Not saying naman na pangit yung labubu, pero kasi lahat ng tao, labubu yung bet ngayon. So parang ako, I would not go out of my way to avail labubu. Kasi parang bet siya ng all. Same thing with Sunny Angels. Lahat may Sunny Angels. So hindi ko siya ina-avail. Gusto ko medyo niche. I like things that are a little niche kasi it feels more special to me na parang, I'm one of the few people na may bet. Parang ganon. Mix, can you congratulate my bebe Verhel for winning Champion District Table Tennis yesterday? Congratulations, bebe niya, Verhel, for winning Champion District Table Tennis yesterday. Kaya ako movusan. Chay! Tingnan mo yung pusa. Tingnan mo yung pusa. Pag mainstream, di masyado benta sa akin. Same, di ba? Ba't naman takot magpakita? Andiyan na si Jay Quinn. Be, buti pa yung aking matapang. Yung sayo kasi, siya pa yung nagsasabing mag-live ka, be. Ang pogi ng boses ng katabi mo, be, parang BF ko lang. Eh di congrats. Charis. Akala ko yung squish cat. Abot mo nga sa akin squish cat. Squish cat. Squish cat. The pink one. Ayun, squish cat. Yan. Hanggang ngayon, amoy strawberry pa rin siya. Ayun. Squishy cat. Nabili ko lang to sa Toys R Us. As in random purchase. Nung dumaan ako one time sa Toys R Us. Mix, do you like Ghibli films ba? Yes, I love Ghibli films. Oh my God. Nagkaroon ako ng... So, sa YouTube ko kasi, yung algorithm ko, meron akong like eras of hyperfixation. Nagkaroon ako ng time na hyperfixate ako sa miniature crafts kasi si Studson Studios, search nyo siya sa YouTube, STUDSON space Studios. Gumagawa siya ng crafts ng Ghibli movie. So, ginawa niya yung parang Howl's Moving Castle na yung machine, Girl Have a... Tapos, wala lang, share ko lang. Natuwa ako doon. Mahilig si Mix sa Bogly films. Hindi na masyado, be. Hindi na masyado. May BF kayo, bakit? Akala ko ba tama ng mahal-mahalan sa pamilyang to? Be, huwag niyo ako idadamay. Hala pala comment na rin siya. Comment na din siya. Wala na akong moderate kasi wala nang puking ng spoilers. Salamat, Jesus. Oh my God! Yes! Sa totoong buhay lang, at hindi nyo alam kung gaano like how anxious the people asking for spoilers or posting spoilers in the comments made me during the season. As in like, ina-anxiety talaga ako noon. So talagang pag na may nakita ka, oops, kick ka dyan, be. Sorry. Pero like, ano talaga siya, parang, gusto ko yung lives, GV lang, ganyan, talk about random things. And it's, a lot of people are always asking for spoilers. Tapos minsan may nagko-comment pa ng spoilers unprovoked na parang, girl, where's the delicadeza? Where's the like, consideration for other people? So ayun, parang that, they made me like, super anxious and agitated sa mga lives before. Parang, kinakalmahan ko lang sarili ko, tapos onting kick. Sorry, be. Pakapangit ka bonding ng mga nagbibigay ng spoilers, TBH. Diba? Diba? Like, girl, parang, if mahilig ka sa spoilers, go avail mo yan. Like, marami namang spoilers dyan floating around. But, wag ka namang, girl, let's not be tactless na sa mga taong hindi naghahanap actively ng spoilers, mag-post ka ng spoilers para lang parang, KJ ka ba? Hindi ka ba minahal na magulang mo? Wawa. Ganon. Makes your so student council officer coded gets na kita. But I never ran for student council though. Except for block rep nung college. But I never really ran for student council because I was not into politics when I was a student. Parang, I was student leader ako na sense na parang officer ako sa orgs. Pero not in student council. Panira ng fantasy mga spoiler. Korik! Diba? Basag trip. Dahil basag trip ka, basagin ko rin trip mo. Block. Kick from live. Ganon. The amount of times people kept spoiling everything for me makes me so... Like, can you all get jobs through? That's very jobless behavior. Charis. Love you mix from the UK. Oh, speaking of UK, we're thinking about... Pinag-iisipan ko pa kung mag-DragCon UK ako. Kasi iba na yung system ng DragCon UK now. Like, parang hindi na yata available for purchase ang booth to all. Basta, anyway, but I still wanna go. I kinda still wanna go to UK. Pero kasi, the thing with DragCon, mga bebs, mahal. Going to DragCon is so expensive. Like, applying for visa, and then bibili ka ng booth, and then of course bibili ka ng tickets for you and your team also. Tapos syempre, parang magde-decorate ka ng booth, magre-ready ka ng stock ng merch. Na usually what happens is even when you sell out merch, a lot of the times break even ka sa gastos mo for the trip. But then again, parang ang purpose naman of DragCon is like, meet and greet fans internationally, meet other queens from other franchises. So, ano pa rin naman siya, like, maganda pa rin siya. Yung ROI niya is not monetary, pero mahal siya. Like, full disclosure, mahal mag-DragCon. Based on the experiences of Season 1 and Season 2 queens na nakapag-DragCon na. But, definitely, LA, I will not miss DragCon LA. Like, girl, I want to go to DragCon so bad. Speaking of, gusto niyo ba kayo Gcash? Pang DragCon LA lang view. I hate winter laundry. Anong meron sa winter laundry? Lagay nga tayong Gcash, wala lang. Ayan, tapos pin natin. May bago ako natutunan. Akala ko libre yung booth. Not for all. I think parang for the finalists yata, libre yung booth or something. Basta not all. Hindi tayo umabot na finals. Sorry na lang. Sorry na sa akin, hindi umabot na finals. Naalala ko na naman. Nung Drag in the South. So, play sila ng dapat pakak, bugs, pop-off attits. Nag-play sila ng Slay Akla. Eh, andun yung top 5, diba? So, pasok isa-isa yung top 5, perform sila. Sa dulo ng Slay Akla, pasok ako, ay, wala nga palang verse attache. Charis. Elvis JYNY, pag ninotice mo, mother, maligo na ako. Be, mabaho ka na, maligo ka na. Huwag mong iasa sa akin yung pagligo mo, wow. Charis. Ano, ang lakas ng mood swings ng lives ko. Ako lang ba nakapansin? Sorry. Minsan nangaaway, pero minsan nanggagago. But I don't know the new UK system. Yeah, we're figuring out the UK system. Because I still badly, really do wanna go to UK. Mix, ano thoughts mo sa pagiging parasocial ng mga new drag stands? Well, I've participated in stan culture naman before. I used to be like a K-pop stan Twitter person. Like, full disclosure. So I understand stan culture, but at the same time it's like, let's have a healthy separation. Parang I love interacting with y'all. I love getting to interact with everyone on lives, online, but at the same time it's like, let's have some respect for boundaries as people. Parang I am still a human being behind Mick Chanel, the queen from Drag Race. I'm still a human person. I still have boundaries. So parang thank you for your love and support, and like I reciprocate that energy for the people that give it. But also it's like, wag tayo masyadong feeling close agad. Yun lang. Parang yun lang yung slight parang thank you for your love and support, but like we're not friends in real life. But I do I do have all the utmost like gratitude for the people that do support me. Pero ayun, parang parasocial relationships, not the tea. But if I make you happy, thank you for allowing me to make you happy. Ganun na lang tayo. Basta yun, like, I'm a human person still behind being Mick Chanel Drag Race Philippines Season 3 contestant. So, ayun, let's just respect some boundaries. Yes, boundaries are very important. Ito din po, Gcash ko, salamat. Wow! Papansin, gusto mo makik sa live, be? Charis. Dami sabi, mix pakis nga. Huwag mo ako utusan. I think enough na appreciating the art and the artist. Yes, as in like, thank you so much. Like, I'm so grateful. Yun yung parang biggest takeaway ko from Drag Race is, despite all of the drama that happened on the show, there's so many more people now that appreciate my art and what I do, and like some people really appreciate me as a person, and I'm so thankful for that. Mix 21 stan ka ba? Did you get tickets? Tamad akong mag-avail ng tickets, so I did not. Pero kung gusto nyo akong benta ng tickets, kung meron kayong extra tickets dyan, beke naman, I would Actually, nakakaiyak yung fact na hindi ko papanood ng 21. And 21 was the very first K-pop group that I stand. 21 and Girls' Generation. As in, girl, nakabisado ko ang fire ng 21 dahil sa lyrics on screen ng Mix the Channel noong 2009. Hi, Mix, serving face card as always. Kung serving face card, Gcash mo ko. Charis. Tips mother, as a baby drag queen, keep practicing. Drag is one of those things na you learn more through experience. Of course, iba rin yung matuto ka from getting to work with other queens that are your seniors. Pero, as in, you get better with drag just by doing drag. Magkano minimum sa Gcash? Any and all, avail ko yan. Kahit pang pansit canton lang ganun, carry ko na. Thank you for representing Type A girlies and relate with you so much, which validates me too. I hope to see you soon. Type A ako, yung pagka-Type A ko kasi on and off siya. Like, I'm very Type A when it comes to work. Pero minsan, I like to just like, no thoughts head empty. Pagkasama ko siya yung, lang ako, I'm baby. Vibes lang ang bag ko. Sige, 20 carry. Avail! Pang ano rin niya. Hindi, 25 na nga pala core na ito. Pero kahit pang pansit canton, go. Hoy, Mix Chanel, sama ka ba sa Kylie Minogue? Anong Kylie Minogue yan? Anong Kylie Minogue yan? Saan yan? Be, oh my God. Ha, Kylie Minogue. Mix, do you stan NCT? I saw your following list and you follow Johnny, haha. I like some NCT songs. I don't really stan NCT. Hindi ko sila sobrang fina-follow, pero pogi kasi Johnny. Pogi kasi Johnny, so... Curious lang why your name is Nick Chanel. Ano be? Trip ko lang, ganun. Amats ko lang. Ano? Oo nga, parang ilang beses ko na in-explain sa Meet the Queens pa lang, in-explain ko na yung drag name ko. Sa YouTube video ko, in-explain ko na yung drag name ko. Be, parang... ilang beses ko ba kailangan sagutin? Wow. Char. But basically, it's Mix the music channel and also my name. Mix as in non-binary honorific, equivalent to Mr. or Miss. First name is Sean, last name is L. Mix Sean L, Mix Chanel. Yun na yun. Kaya na ba? Parang every live ko may nagtatanong sa akin, parang wow. Hindi ba uso Google sa inyo? Charis. For the whisper talaga. Mahina talaga boses niya. At totoo lang, mababa kasi yung boses niya. So kahit ako minsan nahihinaan sa boses niya, parang, ha? Ano yun? Ha? Ulit? Ala! Thank you po sa mga nagpapaalog ng Gcash ko. Hey, hey. Real Mix Chanel fans would know. Ano ba yan? Ubi, parang... I've explained my drag name in so many like published interview articles, in many videos, in guestings, sa Meet the Queens. Musta na ito be, brain rot, bed rot. What if Dingding pala kausap? Actually, AI. Hindi nyo nakikita yung kamay ko, nagtatype ako sa AI, tapos may speaker doon. Charis. Alugin natin ang Gcash. Oo nga, be. Pang ano ko lang, oh. Pang drag con ko lang, be. Charis. Mag-research kayo, wala naman pala kayong magawa. Ala, yung Chay Agoncillo nang-aaway na naman sa comments. Wow. Anong oras ako nag-start mag-live? 3:30. Fairness. Okay, wala. Mag-iisang oras na rin pala. Skincare routine drop. I use a lot of Kiehl's, Oxycure, and Garnier. Yan ang current rotation ko sa skincare ko. I use the Garnier facial wash. I use the Garnier Vitamin C Serum during the day. Sunblock ko is the Get Ready With Me sunblock. Tapos, at night, I use the same Vitamin C facial wash ng Garnier, whatever. Toner ng Oxycure, HA/BHA toner ng Oxycure, or toner ng Kiehl's. Toner ng Oxycure when on days na I want to exfoliate. Toner ng Kiehl's on days na para I just want an extra step of cleaning. Tapos, I use the Kiehl's Retinol Serum or may ginagamit ako right now na parang glycolic acid serum ng L'Oreal. And then, yung Vitamin C Yogurt Sleeping Mask ng Garnier. Pure Pinoy ka po ba? Ako, half Pinoy, half Pinay. Bobo attack. Mamis ko lang po sa inyo ni Zimba. Wow! Ganyan kayo eh. Gusto nyo pinag-aaway yung mga bakla, tapos pag nag-aaway, binabash. Wow! Ang hirap nyong kabonding eh. Sorry. Nagdabog. Uy, may nagpapaalog talaga sa Gcash. Uy, thank you. Thank you so much, everyone. Siyempre, hindi ko nababanggitin yung name. Una kasi naka-sensor. Tapos for privacy. But thank you so much sa mga nagpapaalog sa Gcash. any and all forms of support is super appreciated. As in, kahit mag-comment lang kayo sa kahit mag-comment lang kayo sa posts, share nyo sa stories, send nyo sa mga friends nyo, sa mga GC, ganyan. Like, ayun, mag-engage lang kayo sa content namin, magbigay kayo ng gifts, mag-tip kayo, ganyan. Those are all like super, super appreciated. Kasi sa toong buhay lang, parang, may mga days talaga na overwhelmed pa rin ako sa buhay ko now. Like, being on Drag Race has really been so life-changing. And none of it goes unappreciated talaga. Parang, alam niyo yun, I started doing drag because I wanted to express myself. Actually, isa nga sa mga frustrations ko nung una, parang, ano ba yan? Drag queen ako, pero kailangan ko na maging influencer and content creator online para mapansin. Charis. But now that there are people following me, it's been the most, like, flattering and overwhelming thing ever. And, ayun, nakaka-motivate to continue doing what I do because there's a lot more people that appreciate what I do now. Sana man lang makatatlong mix show this month. Wow. AC. Charis. Correct, gratitude persists. Ayan. Ayan po yung tattoo na pinakita ko sa Drag Race na hindi pinakita sa edit. Ano ba to? Paano nag-work mga drag mother-daughter? Keme, Ruchi, ma'am, may mga applications ba yan? Well, for me kasi, hindi ako basta parang nagda-drag daughter. Parang I have to feel, talaga, for me, it's a very personal relationship. Like, I have to feel like a really, parang lukso ng dugo kind of kinship for me to like take someone in as a drag daughter. Also, I'm not taking in any drag daughters right now kasi 4 yung drag daughter ko. Tapos lahat sila pumupunta sa bahay para mang-raid ng costume. Yung mga damit kong isang beses pa lang nagagamit, isang beses pa lang nasusuot, hinehiram agad. Wow! Titigas ng ulo ng mga anak ko eh. Charis. But yeah, parang for me, it's a very personal relationship. Hindi siya parang club na ina-applyan lang. For me personally, like, it's a very different thing for every drag queen, drag mother, drag daughter relationship out there. But for me, it's like, parang talaga siya. I have to see and feel and yun talaga. Parang yun yung requirement ko. Also, parang yung mga ina-accept ko as drag daughters, they're really serious with drag. They really see it as like a form of self-expression or like as a career they want to do. Sige, wait. May nagtatanong PayPal. Hala, B, Bukayo yung Bukayo yung pangalan. Walang tatawag sa akin ng government name dito ha. Sasapakin ko. Teka, paano ba Wait lang. I-consolidate ko yung comment. Ayan. Tapos, pin. Ayan. Okay. Ano yun? May mga nabasa. You've been one of my comfort persons ever since I started watching Drag Race. I felt so seen. Thank you so much for seeing yourself in me. Tama ba? Sa'yo. This is very OA, pero I super love the drag community na to the point na I'm about to use drag as public speaking topic para sa BPO subject namin. Drag is so colorful. Sa totoong buhay lang. I've also been, if you guys want to book me for speaking engagements, for hostings, for like talks, I also do that. I did a talk a few months ago about like drag and the history of local drag. And I was so, I just have such a big appreciation for the local drag community. And drag as an art form as a whole. And drag as a culture. Like, let's not forget, hindi lang siya basta-basta parang, it's an art, yes. You use it to express yourself, but drag is also a culture. Like, and you have to parang for me to be able to fully call yourself a drag queen, you have to be immersed in the culture. Hala, wow, ang dami na nakain na chocolate. Naubos mo? Hala ko, naubos mo eh. Pengi na saan? Mukbang. Mami, explain neurodivergence, please. Neurodivergence is basically if your brain doesn't work the same way as most other people. Parang, may different kinds of neurodivergence kasi. There's neurodivergence in terms of like, a mental health affliction, like if you have depression, if you have anxiety, if you have bipolar disorder, those are all forms of neurodivergence. There's also parang learning disabilities, or not disabilities, parang differently abled. So there's the autism spectrum, there's ADHD, there's ADD. May maraming different types of neurodivergence, but basically parang if your brain doesn't work in a way na parang conforms to social norms, social expectations, it's a form of neurodivergence. Human chat GPT, edi wow. Have you watched any season of Asia's Next Top Model? Medyo medyo nagsawa na ako sa Top Model by the time na nauso na yung Asia. I think, yung kay Maureen Rob yata, napanood ko pa, pero medj na lang. Ang mga huli ko pinanood yung like, kila Allison, kila Anwar, yung All-Stars. Oh my God! May nagpalog ng PayPal! Oh my God! Thank you! Hindi ko nakita yung full name, but Kevin. Oh my God, thank you, Kevin! Wow! Thank you so much. You don't, that's a big help. Like, you don't know how long of a way that much support is gonna go. Thank you so much. Oh my God, wow. Hindi ko siya in-expect, but wow. Thank you. Very true po. If I were asked to describe what it means to break barriers or transcend beyond borders, drag suits it very well. Like, it is not just limited to the queer community, but to every people. That's true. Everyone can do drag. I really believe that everyone can do drag. But also, yun talaga, for me, the sanctity of drag is really in the culture. Like, yes, you can participate in the art form of drag as a cis-hetero person, as a straight person, as someone born male, someone born female. Whatever your gender, whatever your gender identity, gender expression may be, you can participate in the art form of drag. But I think, for you to really be able to call yourself a drag artist, you have to put in the work to put in the work as a performer, as an artist, but also put in the work of immersing yourself in the community, in the culture. Kasi parang hindi ka pwedeng, oh my God, drag queen ako, and you just, not naman to demean, this is not meant to demean anyone, but if you do drag as a form of transformation, as a form of self-expression, that's great. But please take your time to immerse yourself in the community, immerse yourself in the culture. Get to know the veterans, pay respects to them, watch their shows, tip them, or parang at least go to their shows, applaud for them, learn from them. Kasi it's a culture, kultura talaga siya. Hindi lang siya basta-basta ginagawa, kundi isinasabuhay siya. Gets niyo ba yun? What's the difference between a drag queen and a drag artist? Drag artist is the umbrella term kasi drag is an art form. Anyone can do drag, everyone can be a drag artist, but a drag queen specifically is a person that does drag in a more feminine presenting way. Bakit ang eloquent mo, mama? Mahilig ka ba magbasa, magsulat, gano'n? When I was in high school, grade school and high school, mahilig ko magbasa. Kasi yung tipong, yung Hunger Games series, yung buong Hunger Games series, yung Hunger Games, Catching Fire, tsaka Mockingjay, 2 araw ko lang yata siya binasa o 3 araw. Basta parang one book a day, ganun. Tapos mahilig ako makinig sa podcast. Ang masasuggest ko talaga para to as a passive way of tickling your brain, ganun. Makinig kayo sa podcasts or video essays on YouTube. Yung parang mga tao na really go into a topic and deep dive and dissect and parang discuss different aspects of that topic. Masaya siya kasi parang you're already consuming content na as a pastime, as a hobby, but also may natututunan ka rin something new. And ako, I'm really someone na ang dami kong stock knowledge. Ang dami kong random stock knowledge. Like, girl, pag ipag-math nyo ako, hindi ko masasagot yan. Pero pag tanungin nyo ako parang, ano ba? Tanungin nyo ako, what's my favorite Taylor Swift album and why, and what is the cultural, social impact, ganyan, kinemerut, kinesu. Kaya ko siya i-discuss. Pag tinanong nyo sa akin parang, anong album umalis ng Spice Girls si Jerry Halliwell, alam ko yan. Ilang roster changes ang nangyari sa Pussycat Dolls. Marami akong mga ganong random knowledge just because I love watching video essays, especially about pop culture. As in, as much as pop culture is a great form of escape, as a great form of entertainment, for me, I also really like diving into the cultural aspect. As in, parang, what is the cultural impact, the social impact of pop culture, of these certain pop artists, of this certain album, ganto ganyan. Mahilig ako sa mga ganoon. Basta parang, ewan ko ba, also yung mga lore ng fiction, like lore ng Harry Potter, although cancelled na yung author, lore ng Hunger Games. Ang rabbit hole ko right now, Wicked. As in, ang dami kong kino-consume na Wicked content, like how the story of Wicked transformed from the book, the Wizard of Oz book, to the Wizard of Oz first Technicolor movie with sino si Dorothy? The actress who played Dorothy, basta siya, to yung Wicked na book, tapos kung paano nag-change yung story ng Wicked na book, to Wicked the musical, tapos kung ano yung pwede natin i-expect from Wicked the movie, kasi the Wicked movie takes the story of Wicked the musical but also supplements it with the parts of the Wicked book that were discussed, tapos may mga bagong songs. So parang, ang dami kong nerd ako. Gets nyo ba? Point is, nerd ako. Manifesting Mix performs I'm Not That Girl from Wicked. Hindi ko pa alam yan. And the thing is, me with musicals is, if hindi ko mapapanood yung full production, ayokong i-spoil yung sarili ko sa mga kanta. So, for example, yung 6, ang alam ko lang sa 6 is yung No Way, tsaka yung Queen of the Castle na songs. Kasi hindi ko pinapakinggan yung 6 album, kasi gusto ko mapanood yung full musical. So now that I got to watch the full musical, pwede ko na pakinggan na paulit-ulit yung album. I love you, pansinin mo ako. What if ayoko? What if ayoko inuutusan nyo ako? Wow. Charis. Yahoo! Judy Garland. Judy Ann Santos. Love you all the way here from Czech Republic. Check the Czech on Czech Republic. Nasi-ship kayo ni Maxi dati. Iba malay ko, B. Have you watched Hamilton? Yes, napanood ko ng Disney Plus na pro shot ng Hamilton. That's when I started listening to the Hamilton album. And nasa like drag performance bucket list ko, of course, ang walang kasawa-sawang Satisfied at Helpless, walang kasawa-sawang Burn. Yan, gusto ko sila yung perform eventually. Nagmukbang na lang talaga ako, wow. Fave K-pop groups at the moment, New Jeans, I guess. Though medyo may kaguluhan ang Adore. Ano ba? Hindi kasi ako masyadong ma-follow ng groups right now. Parang, I listen to the singles that I like. I listen to the songs that I like. What's on your list of to watch? Well, Wicked, of course. Ano pa ba mga gustong panoorin? Waitress. I want to watch Waitress. I haven't seen Waitress. Ano pa ba? Bigyan nyo, wala akong maisip. Bigyan nyo ako ng example. Bias ka sa New Jeans, Herin. Fave sitcom. Two Broke Girls, Modern Family. Ano pa ba? Ano pa ba? The Good Place. Sitcom ba The Good Place? Parang hindi. Maxiana ka ba or Brixie? Wala, te. Hindi ko siniship yung mga sisters ko. Like, ang weird niya for me personally. Medyo parang like, kung magjojowaan sila, go. Go na nila yan. Pero yung parang, para i-ship ko parang, yung ako yung mag-ship sa mga sister ko parang, gets yun ba? Ship ka ba? Hindi po ako barko. Sorry. Have you seen The Substance? Gusto ko manood ng The Substance eh. Manood tayo? Wala ka ba? Ka ba dito? Pasinehan? Tara, sa The Substance tayo. Tonight? Random. Parang gusto ko panoorin eh. Anyway, try ko na rin ang Kiss of Life kasi I think it's your new vibe na kinda sexy. Yeah! I like yung song nila, yung ano, yung kanila yung Sticky, diba? Tsaka yung basta, yon yung mga release nila maganda. Have you watched Friends? Okay. I hope people don't cancel me for this. But, I personally think Friends is overrated. For me, kasi parang the premise of Friends is you're watching middle class 20 and 30 something straight white people in New York. Like, the premise of the show is not interesting. I've seen clips, I've seen episodes, and funny naman siya kung funny siya, pero parang for me personally, it's like, I get it that it was like a huge thing in the 90s and the 2000s, but I'm not a fan. Same with How I Met Your Mother. Though napanood ko yung How I Met Your Mother, I think parang 8 seasons I watched, but I'm not a fan. I don't hate it. I'm just not a fan. For me, it's like, I just like shows that have a lot more like socio-political substance. I love Pose is one of my favorite shows. Queer Eye sa Netflix is one of my favorite shows. Parang I like shows that have a bit more interesting context. A bit more interesting premise. Modern Family, okay, Modern Family kasi parang it explores the nuclear family, like kay Phil and Claire, at meron silang 3 anak. It explores an old man and a young woman relationship. It explores gay husbands. Alam mo yun, parang there's a lot more social nuance to explore in the context. For me kasi sa Friends, I don't find a lot of nuance there. At dami ko na naman sinabi. Nagmukbang na lang talaga ako sa camera, wow. Anyway, that's my thoughts on Friends. So parang, if you like Friends, if you love Friends, if you're a fan, go. If that makes you happy, go lang. But I cannot get behind it personally. What about Brooklyn Nine-Nine? Hindi ko pa siya masyado napapanood. Although, I've seen some episodes. Maganda naman siya. Actually, interesting yung mga sitcom na Office Atake. I've been wanting to get into Superstore actually. Pero yung parang, hindi kasi ako masyado series na tao talaga. I don't watch a lot of series. Kasi when I watch series, gusto ko binge. As in like, upo ako binge. Ganon. Pero, yung parang, passively watching ganyan. Pero, paano yun? Ano yung sitcom na bakla tsaka babae na roommates? Ano nga yun? Ito na nga ang question, kailan sinunod ang finale? We shot the finale during the same time that we shot the season. Wala pong reshoot. That's on that. That's period on that. Wala siyang reshoot. Please watch Brooklyn Nine-Nine. Will and Grace. Ayun, Will and Grace. I like Will and Grace. May pinapanood din sa akin yung best friend ko na parang Lone Star, Texas Lone Star. Basta parang police firefighter atake. Basta yun, tapos merong baklang magjowa doon. Ayun, masaya yun. Bet ko yun. Same, you need to make time to binge, di ba? Kaya gusto ko yung mga short series lang, yung mga tipong parang sa isang season, 6 to 12 episodes lang ganyan. Kasi madali siyang panood. Oh my God, Heartstopper. Kakatapos ko lang ng Heartstopper the other day. When I tell you, ugaling Nick Nelson yung jowa ko minsan, mas masungit lang. Yung jowa ko ugaling Nick Nelson pero masungit. Ang sama ng tingin, oh. Wow. What about Pepito Manaloto? Wow! Ang kapikon! Ang probinsyano. Wow! Go! Binge watch ang probinsyano. Thoughts on Diana Lima's comeback? I haven't seen the Victoria's Secret fashion show. I'm glad that Victoria's Secret is back with a little bit more diversity. Of course, more diversity talaga is better. But I love that they're now embracing what people criticized them about a few years ago. Like, gets ko yung they're selling a fantasy, but at the same time, it's like, we have to keep up with the times, my friends. Alam mo ba yung movie na About Us But Not About Us? Parang narinig ko na yan. I think I've heard of that. Oh my God! Panoorin nyo yung please watch, It's What's Inside. Kakapanood ko lang ulit kagabi. Ano siya, psycho-thriller siya sa Netflix. Sobrang ganda nung It's What's Inside. Like, if mahilig kayo sa psycho-thrillers, please watch It's What's Inside on Netflix. Highly recommend. Anyway, ang tagal ko na naka-live. Yun na yun.